Hi, it's Jason Wells here with Wells Realty and Law Groups. I'm talking today about the fiscal cliff, and more specifically this time, we're talking about the Mortgage Forgiveness Debt Relief Act in this segment. Now, the Mortgage Forgiveness Debt Relief Act is an act that was passed in 2007, and the reason for its passage was to protect homeowners in our financial housing crisis we have been going through. What the IRS tax code says is that a person who has debt forgiveness, such as when you sell your house and you owe $200 on it, you sell it for $100, you've got $100,000 that gets forgiven. The IRS has, in most states, looks at that as taxable income. Now, under the Mortgage Forgiveness Debt Relief Act, it removed that income from taxation. So someone like myself who did a short sale, I had about $125,000 of debt that was forgiven in my short sale. I didn't have to pay any tax on that. Some can say it's because of the Mortgage Forgiveness Debt Relief Act. Others can argue that it's for other reasons that it applied. The Mortgage Forgiveness Debt Relief Act, though, has been the fail-safe. It has been the one that covers anybody in most any situation. That is going away at the end of this month. Come December 31st, that will be the last day for you to close on a property and receive the protections of the Mortgage Forgiveness Debt Relief Act. Going forward on January 1st, after the law has expired, we have hopes that it will be brought up for a vote in February, March, April, and be retroactively applied and continue to apply, and I think that would be great for the entire country. In Arizona, some may be surprised to hear that I don't think it's going to matter a whole lot whether the Mortgage Forgiveness Debt Relief Act is in place or not. That's because we are an anti-deficiency state. As an anti-deficiency state, we have a law that says you do not owe the difference between what your home is worth and what it sells for if it's on 2.5 acres or less and there's actually your house on it, a residence. So fourplexes, things like that, commercial don't count. But a regular duplex or single family home does. So not owing tax on this forgiven debt from your mortgage is the growing legal opinion and prevailing view in Arizona as to whether or not a homeowner has to pay back that deficiency, whether it's a short sale or a foreclosure. In addition, the tax code also provides its own built-in protection known as the Insolvency Provision, and that itself will protect a lot of Arizona homeowners because they will meet that insolvency protections. Now, being insolvent doesn't mean you have to file bankruptcy. There are some other intricate and sort of complex details in analyzing a person's given situation as to whether or not they're going to owe the tax or not. Given that the Mortgage Forgiveness Debt Relief Act is going away, it does make that become more complicated. It does increase the need for you to seek out a qualified real estate professional, like an attorney, like one of us here at the Wells Law Group, like a CPA, an accountant who regularly deals with these matters, or a financial planner who is also equally instructed on how to deal with these things. Unfortunately, a real estate agent is not going to be qualified to give you the advice you need and apply the facts and the laws as they stand in order to properly advise you. It's for that reason we are offering free consultations to anyone who would like to know how this fiscal cliff, how the Mortgage Forgiveness Debt Relief Act, how all this stuff is going to impact you going forward in 2013 and beyond. Here at Wells Realty and Law Groups, we have been through it. I short sold my house, as I mentioned before. We care about our Arizona community and our fellow neighbors. We want to help you because here at Wells Realty and Law Groups, we do what agents can't.